This video will demonstrate how to use the Order Backorder tool for basic dropship style orders. So firstly we go to Merchant and then Sales, and then from the Backorder drop down we click on Backorder List. So when you first land on this page, the status is set to on backorder just for convenience, but we can change it to any other status, or we can leave it open to all statuses. We can then filter by some other parameters here. The keyword, we can type in an order number. We can filter by manufacturer, supplier, sales rep, and so on. So if we just click search here and return everything, what we can see here is a list of all the different line items across different orders. So these are all items on orders which haven't been fulfilled yet, and they can be in a range of different statuses. When an order is first created, the line item status will be not ordered, and then once it's either converted to a purchase order or to a stock reservation, it moves into the ordered state, and it waits there to then either be shipped, cancelled, or put on back order. So we have the ability to set the status on the individual line items, or we can also select at the top here a master status and then tick the ones that we wish it to apply to. We would then just click save. If we want to put one on back order, we simply select back order, and then we can select an ETA when we expect the product to come in. So if we mark all the items on an order as shipped, the order state will change to shipped, whereas if we select a couple to be shipped and one or more on back order, the overall order status will be that it's on back order. And once we're happy with our status changes there, we just click save to continue.